So a very good morning to all of you, and we're here to announce the dates for the seventh Chandigarh Literature Festival. This year again we have 12 books and 2 films. Critic Vibhuti Narayan Rai has nominated Ek Thi Maina Ek Tha Kumar, written by Hari Bhatnagar. We have Omer Ahmed nominating Diwali in Muzaffarnagar by Tanuj Solanki. Kunal Ray has nominated the book The Epic City, The World on the Streets of Calcutta by Kushnav Chaudhary. We have Rehan Najib, The Wildings by Nilanjana Roy. Swati Daftuar has nominated the book The Other by Paro Anand. Saurabh Dwivedi has nominated Sopan Joshi's Jal Thal Mal. Then we have Jonathan Gill Harris, who's nominated If I Had to Tell It Again by Gayatri Prabhu. Rumina Sethi has nominated Daughters of the Sun by Ira Mukhoti. Has nominated the book Padmavat by Purushottam Agrawal. Sukoon Singh has nominated Arish Havra's The Big Small Town, How Life Looks from Chandigarh. Parveena Rashid has translated the book Ballad of Kaziranga, which is in Assamese, written by Dilip Chandan. And we have 2 films, Raja Sen nominating Shujit Sarkar's October, and Nonika Singh has nominated Amar Kaushik's 3. I have with me Annie Zadi, the festival director, and she would talk about the story reading performance by Tamasha Group on the first day and the performance Blank Page by Tamasha Group. And of course the poetry, world poetry in translation.
So Tamasha is a Bombay-based theatre group. They use a lot of literary texts, poetry as well as short stories, and they devise performances using that. So Blank Page is a devised performance. It is drawn from many different languages. So the actors pick up poems and they read them out as well as in some way enact the emotion that is in the poem on stage. And story readings are basically just straight readings. These will be actors, but they will be reading out stories because in Mumbai, Tamasha has been running a series of story readings. They do this once a month, and it's interesting for people to also hear some of the classic stories that already are published and are kind of, but we don't really get to hear them. So here people will have the benefit of hearing trained theatre actors reading out the stories on stage. Those are the 2 performances. And this year we also have a special poetry performance that is which literary translators and poets and literary translators will be translating some of the best poetry from all over the world into Indian languages, English and other Indian languages, and doing a poetry performance based on that, on the translations.
So we have Monika Kumar curating this, and we have Geet Chaturvedi,
Teji Grover,
Teji
Ashok
Grover,
Bajpai, and
Monika Kumar.
Sorry?
Okay, the venue this year we've picked is the postgraduate college for women, Sector 11. Yeah.
Be discussion. Our main format is criticism based for both literature and films. The point of it, we don't invite either the writers directly or the directors directly. We invite their work. So we invite, say, the books rather than the writers, and we invite the film, and then we invite the directors to come in and discuss with the critics their work, their body of work. So, yeah, that is our format.